Hey kiddos, it's Miss Barnes. Guess what? We're getting back to work and I'm really excited. I hope that while you've been at home, you've been self-quarantining, you've been hanging out at your house and playing in your grass. I really hope that you have been practicing reading with someone. Today we're gonna do reading, math, science, and social studies. The first thing we're gonna do is reading. It's not anything you haven't ever seen before. I hope that you practice and stay along with me. When you see the first thing we're gonna do is our letters. Remember what we do in class? When you see the letter, I don't want the name of the letter, I want the sound. So first thing we're gonna start doing is recall our sounds. Ready? Okay, guys, remember, when you see the card, I don't want the letter, I want the sound. So when you see this letter, you're gonna say what sound? What? Good job. R, A, Qu, I, Y, O, J, K, Z, V, E, S, X, D, P, N, A, M, K, G, B, T. Good job. All right, next we're gonna do our nonsense words. Remember that all words have short vowels. And so when you read them, I want the sounds, 1, 2, 3, and then read it all together fluently. You ready? Here we go. Ack, vac. Ack, sack. At, sat. At, wat. Et, wet. En, when. In, when. In, zin. Zip, zip. Ip, fip. Id, fid. Odd, fod. Ud, hud. Jud, jud. Jux, jux. Ix, licks. Limb. Yim. Quim. Ig, rig. Ib, rib. Rub. She, we, me, the, above, no, what, where, remember, picture, together, how, see, look, because, purple, when, read, 3. All right, guys, now we're gonna read together. I hope that you would take a moment during this video to hit pause and read this story on your own after we read it together. This is a story consisting of the bossy R. We have studied IR, ER, and UR, which we know says We also know that OR says or and AR is R, okay? So today we're gonna read a story about Cheryl and her twirls. See, there's Cheryl right there. We're gonna start right here. Her name is Cheryl. So I'm gonna read it, and then I hope that you pause the video and take a moment to read it to yourself. I'm also going to add the story to the link after the video. Cheryl was a girl who always liked to twirl. She twirled on her first birthday. One time, she even twirled and whirled with a squirrel. Sometimes she twirled with a smirk. A smirk is like a smile. Other times, she whirled until she was full of thirst. One day, she got tired of twirling. That's when she decided to chirp like a bird. Now take a moment to pause the video and read this story on your own out loud to someone sitting close to you, okay? All right, we're finished with reading. We're gonna move on to math. We're gonna go with single and double digit addition. We're also going to review all the different pairs that can be added together to make 10. Ready? Here we go. Add two sets of 10s together. We can discount our zeros and say 20 is the same as 2 10s, 30 is the same as 3 10s, and our total would be 2 10s plus 3 10s equals how many 10s? 5 10s, which is the same as 50. Same thing here. We have one 10 with 3 ones left over. We have 4 10s with 2 ones left over. We're gonna add the ones together. We're gonna add the 10s together. So 13 plus 42 equals 55. We did a different strategy here. We separated our ones from our 10s. So if we looked at 64 plus 21, we separated our ones. 4 ones plus 1 1 equals 5 ones. 6 10s plus 2 10s equals 8 10s. So our answer would be 85. We did the same thing here. 60 plus 20, you could say 60, 70, 80. What's our sum? 80. Here we have 74 plus 3. Well, what do we usually take our large number and do with it? We hold it and we count on the smaller number. So we would say 74, 75, 76, 77. What's our sum? 77. We did the same thing here, only we used 10s. So 27 plus 3 more 10s. 27, 37, 47, 57. What was our sum? 57. We're going to turn them horizontally this time. 17, hold it, and add 4 more. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. What's our sum? 21. 36 plus 4 10s, 36, 46, 56, 66, 76. What was our answer? Good. Same thing, we did the same thing here. 12 plus 6 10s. 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72. What was our answer? 72. Now we're going to find all the pairs that make up 10. What do we add to 10 to get 10? 0. 4 plus what equals 10? 6. What can we add to 5 to get 10? 5. What can we add to 8 to get 10? 8, 9, 10. 2. What can we add to 9 to get 10? 1. And what do we add to 7 to get 10? 7, 8, 9, 10. What do we add? 3. Good job. Hey guys, so we have finished reading and we finished math. If you go to the bottom, you'll find links to our fluency passage that we read about Cheryl and her twirling. And you'll find links to math pages for you to do if you're able to print out. I'm also going to link up your iExcel website that we do at school. If you need your MyOn password or your IXL password, your families can email me and I'll try to round those passwords up. You can also use my cell phone number that I sent home in your packets. If you didn't get a packet, you can email me, kbarnes@gadsdencityschools.org. You can send me an email and I will gladly just send you my phone number. That way we can communicate quicker if you're not hooked up to Dojo already. If you're on Dojo, I'm still answering questions. If you're not on Dojo and you don't have my number, please send me an email and I'll just send you my phone number and we'll be able to communicate quicker so that I can help you. For social studies, I'm going to send the link to a song that we love. It's called the Season Song. It's about the 4 seasons of the year. It goes with our calendar. For science, we're going to, I've created a sundial, which was the next thing we're going to do after we did sounds. It was sounds and weather. So the next thing we did was weather, which is sundials. So I made a sundial today and I'm going to upload pictures of that as well. And I'm also uploading a YouTube video about sundials. If you have any questions, send me an email or shoot me a text. Thanks so much. I hope you guys are having fun and I hope you're well and happy and self-isolating. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.